And they're off. Zinze, Vito Amore, Miss Frost is there. From the outside, it's Super Sky and Final Redemption. Miss Frost and Zinze will lead the field into the clubhouse turn. Final Redemption runs in third. Oh, going wide there was Zinze. That affected Miss Frost. But Zinze comes away with the lead nonetheless. Down on the inside is Vito Amore. Miss Frost is alongside. Then a break of almost 3 lengths. Back to Final Redemption in fourth. Super Sky is fifth. Walk Close runs in sixth. Carolina Shag is next in seventh. Then along the inside is Sweet Acclaim, who's racing in eighth. Farther back, it's Hill House High and Image of Anna. The quarter, 23 and 4/5 seconds. Zinze with the lead here by 3/4 of a length over Miss Frost. Vito Amore just in behind, running in third. Then Final Redemption in fourth. Sweet Acclaim is next in fifth. In between horses is Walk Close in sixth. Super Skies on the outside in seventh. And then farther back, it's Carolina Shag, Hill House High, and Image of Honor as they round the far turn. The half went in 48 seconds. It's Zinze, and on the outside, it's Miss Frost, and the two of them arrive at the top of the stretch together. Zinze and Miss Frost. Zinze narrowly. Miss Frost now pokes ahead in front. Zinze is down at the rail. Sweet Acclaim looks to come through on the inside. Hill House High has made a big run and is in contention here with a 16th to the wire. It's Miss Frost. Hill House High on the outside. It's Miss Frost with the lead, and Hill House High. Miss Frost got it. Hill House High was there on the outside, and in between those two was Final Redemption. And the final time was 1 minute, 35 seconds.